Welcome to M365 Professional. Here's how to set up an auto reply in the new Outlook. For Windows, select the settings icon. In the upper right, it's the one that looks like a gear. Select Automatic Replies. If you are using Outlook with multiple accounts, be sure you have the correct account selected. Select Turn on Automatic Replies. Type in your automatic reply and set the time period. You can have Outlook block the time on your calendar and automatically decline any meeting invitations that you receive while the auto reply is set. You can also send a different automatic reply to those outside your organization. We'll type a more general reply here. When you're finished, select Save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.